The SISIGOO Sisigogo 12-in cast iron pan is a versatile tool. It suits many cooking styles, and it can handle different foods. This pan is like a blank canvas in your kitchen. You can cook tortillas on its flat surface. You can also make crepes and dosas with ease. The bottom heats evenly, so your food cooks well. This SISIGOO Sisigogo 12-in cast iron pan aims for good cookability. This cast iron pan is not made of aluminum. It is heavy and sturdy, and it retains heat very well. This helps in even cooking, and it is great for searing. The pan can go from the stove to the oven. It can even be used on a grill. Think of it as a reliable friend in your cooking journey. It does not have any strange chemical coatings. The SISIGOO Sisigogo 12-in cast iron pan needs some care. You need to season it properly before using. This will make it naturally non-stick over time. The SISIGOO Sisigogo 12-in cast iron pan also comes with taco holders. This is a nice addition for taco nights. It keeps your tacos upright, and they are easy to fill. While it is not specifically a pizza griddle, you can bake pizzas on it. It offers differentias from other regular pans. It is more than just a pan for an omelette or a simple egg. It brings a touch of Brazil to your kitchen with its potential for diverse dishes. This pan is a solid choice for anyone who loves to cook. Pros: makes crepes well, great for dosa, non-stick surface, can cook pizza 12-inch size, made of cast iron, even heat, oven safe. Cons: handles hard to grab, uneven heat spot, needs seasoning, heavy to handle, might retain odors. Requires careful cleaning, can get very hot, storage can be tricky. Features: 12-inch pan, cast iron, taco holders, comal for tortillas, crepe maker, dosa maker. Non-stick, pizza griddle, even heat, multi-purpose. This SISIGOO 12-inch cast iron pan is a multi-purpose cooking tool. It comes with taco holders for serving and can be used as a comal for making tortillas. You can also use it to make crepes and dosas. The pan has a non-stick surface and heats evenly for good cooking results. It's a versatile pan that can be used for different types of cooking. This 12-inch cast iron pan by SISIGOO Sisigogo is good for making crepes and dosa because it has a non-stick surface and gives even heat. You can even cook pizza on it. Being made of cast iron, it gets very hot and can also go in the oven. However, it is heavy, might get uneven heat spots, needs to be seasoned before use, and can be tricky to store and clean. The handles can also be hard to grab, and it might hold on to smells.